welcome. My name is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. I'm super excited you're here with me today because I am announcing my fall PJ paper party. Yes, already. Stampin' Up! Has changed the way that they're releasing catalogs, and this year is a transition year for them. So instead of a holiday catalog, we are going to be getting an August through December mini catalog. So instead of a holiday catalog starting in September, we're going to have a catalog that now starts on August 4th, and that catalog will go through December, allowing us more time to enjoy the holiday season. That includes Halloween and fall and Christmas and Thanksgiving and everything else we can think of during those months. So I'm really excited to bring this PJ party to you as I'm just closing out the very last PJ party. Just a couple weeks ago, we ended the enrollment for that. And in fact, we haven't even held the party yet. It's this coming Friday, July 10th. However, you can't get in on that one. But what you can get in on is the next one for fall. And it's going to be amazing. So I want to tell you what it includes so that you have a clear understanding of everything. We've decided to open up a special option this time, and that option is getting just the paper alone. No card kits, no party, no nothing, just the paper. But for those of you who do still want a party, oh yeah, we're going big. Go big or go home, right? So we're doing our normal paper with card kits, add-on bundles, all of that fun stuff. And we have made it so you can really customize your experience. If you only want one of the bundles that we're offering, you can add that. If you only want to get the paper, that's okay. If you want to get the paper and the kits and every bundle and every stamp set and all the things we're using, you can get that. And we have tried really hard to make it as economical as possible for you. One of the ways that we have done that is we have not added in additional shipping and tax for your bundles. So when you purchase the mega pack or the biggest pack, you're getting all 12 designer series paper samplers, card kits for each one of those, 2 bundles and a stamp set, plus a free gift and a PDF, plus videos. So the content, the digital content involved in this event is epic. And in fact, next weekend, July 11th, you'll be able to purchase the digital content from our last paper party, so you can kind of get a feel for what you're getting into. So this is meant to be an event. This is not meant to be, I get a pack of papers and samplers and that's where it ends and they sit on my shelf. This is meant for you to play along with us. That is why we do a live event. That's why we provide a card kit for every pack, every paper pack. And that is why we want you to purchase the bundles that we've chose to use. Now, if you're already a demonstrator and you want in on this paper party, welcome in. You can purchase it, no problem. Maybe you just don't add on the bundles and the stamp set because you can get those yourself with your discount. But we welcome everybody. As long as you're in the United States, you can participate in our event. You can even participate if you're outside of the United States by purchasing the digital content. So it won't be the same. You won't get the paper and the stamp sets and all the goodies, but you'll get all the digital content that we've created for this event. Okay, I want to show you what we're using. So I'm going to give you a few sneak peeks. Here is 4 of the 12 designer series papers that will be in your fall paper party. So we've got this gorgeous Gilded Autumn designer series paper. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. So one side is just this very gorgeous fall paper, and the other side has this beautiful gold foiling. Beautiful, beautiful paper. We've got this one, which I think is called Trim the Town or something like that. I haven't learned all the names yet, but it's just adorable. So super cute. So there's that one. And then this one, I think this is like trimmings, tidings, something. I'll know all the paper names very soon. And this is Magic in the Night. I know this one because it's the only Halloween paper. but it's very pretty as well. So these are just little quick sneak peeks of the paper. You'll see much more of that in videos to come over the next month or so. So our live event is September 11th, but our sign up deadline for this is August 2nd. So there is a link below this video that you can go to, click on, fill out a form, choosing which kind of paper party experience you want to have. So you're going to click whichever choice you want and submit the form. After you submit the form, it will come to me and I will send you a PayPal invoice. So that's how that works. Payment is due by August 2nd if you want to be in on the fall paper party. Now let me show you the bundles we're going to use. We're going to use Celebration Tidings, which has fantastic sentiments, but the best part are these epic dies. Aren't these great? Really beautiful dies. And then we also are using the Have a Hoot bundle. And it also has really great dies to make tags and fun stuff. And there's lots of great sentiments in this set. So you can add on, and we do have another stamp set we're using. Unfortunately, I just don't have it yet. I will have it coming soon. So lots of fun. This is going to be an amazing event. Prices, all that information is at the link below. And I hope that you sign up for my fall PJ paper party. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes while I share this awesome, exciting event with you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.